Hey everybody, so in this video we are going to be multiplying two matrices and solving for unknown variables. So we'll be setting up what is called a matrix equation. So here we have this matrix, we can call it A, and this matrix B, and then we have this solution matrix here. So when we start, we want to do this the same way we normally have. We'll take our first matrix and write it along the left. So in our first row we have 1 and A. In our second row, we have 2 and 2. The second matrix is written in the columns here, so 2B and -1. And then we have 1 and 3. And then we'll multiply these together. So here we have 1 times 2B, A times -1, and now we have something new. They tell you that when you multiply these two matrices together, you will get this value. So here, we already know that the answers are going to be 7, 10, 8, and then whatever C is going to be here. So in our top left portion of our matrix, so this value here, we know that the answer to that is C. So here we can say this equals C. And now when we do our second box here, we have 1 times 1 plus A times 3. And this is going to equal 7. Right? Because we have our top left, or excuse me, our top right solution, and then it tells us here is the top right solution here. So when we do the bottom, we have 2 times 2B, which gives us 4B. 2 times -1 is -2, and then this equation is going to equal 10. Lastly, we have 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2, and we know that this is going to equal 8, and it tells us that is part of the solution here. So now what we're doing is we are solving for unknown variables. So our unknown variables are A, B, and C here. So in order to find A, we're going to solve this equation here. So I have 1 plus 3A equals 7. We know we'll subtract 1 and get 3A equals 6. So now A here is 2. To solve for B, we'll have 4B minus 2 equals 10. So here, 4B minus 2 equals 10. So 4B is 12, and this makes B 3. Lastly, to solve for C, we have 2 times B minus A equals C. So here we have 2 times B. B here is 3. 2 times 3 is going to give us 6. Minus the value of A, which we found to be 2, this equals C. So 6 minus 2 is going to give us 4. All right, that's going to be all for this example. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.